from a previous video, or if you watched it already, you know we got to this point. I find it a bit difficult to recreate this because I'm normally experienced, but you will encounter this a lot. A merge conflict or conflicts basically are when you have an issue with two files that are the same or not the same. So you can see I got a conflict with the settings when I tried going back onto the work in progress. So to resolve this, ideally, very important, contact me or anyone who's management. They can always forward it to me if they need to. Do not try to do this yourself because you may do something bad, but you can try and do it. If it's on your branch, it's fine. You can try and do it yourself, but if it's related with staging or master, which is most likely where it's going to happen, call us over and we'll try and sort it out. You can see the different changes. I got the diff view, so to change view should be a button somewhere. I think it might be preference. I know there's somewhere in Git correctly, but you can see all the files. So it's side by side. So it added all these settings. Now, you can see which way it's come from. So test idea and then the applied stash. So I tried going from the test idea onto work in progress test. So in some cases you can drop this commit or drop this switch, but I'm going to go through actually doing with this. So you will have to look through. You can add both. So this is the output, by the way. So this is what it's currently looking like. You can click this one and it will add all of that. Or you can add both. But this comes down to whether it's code and stuff that can work together. But what I normally do is I keep the base branch, unless I switch to a new one, I keep the base. So the left one is base, the second one is what's new. I click save and you can see now it's managed. And then you can commit it. Ideally, no one should really be doing this except me. I'm going to abort this. So you just delete all the commits and stuff. Now I'm going to switch to, I think it's testing. Yes. Now it's still causing me errors. So the reason why it's causing me errors, so this is what it would look like if you have Unity open. When you switch, you can't really switch with Unity open. And if you close it, it might erase, but close it and it will start generating stuff. Just remove it all and then go back to your original branch and it works. Remember to close Unity when switching branches. This is how you stop most conflicts. This also includes text editors, code editors, anything that's open in the project. Even if it's not related to Unity, if it's still open in that Git folder, it will still interfere. Now, I'm on the testing idea, I can pop my stash and start working from before. Remember that merge conflict should be dealt with me or someone else, and you should basically call us over. Unless it's on your branch, you can try and do it yourself because you should know all your files, but call us over. We should sort it because, again, the main area merge conflicts happen is when you're trying to merge onto staging. So call me or someone over and we'll resolve it. There's different ways to resolve it. You can do it like I showed, sorting the merge conflict. There's rebasing and other methods. I don't want to get into it because you guys shouldn't do this. Only management should. But yeah, that's how you deal with merge conflicts.